Our Ford Transit custom seat covers improve the look of your van interior while protecting your seats from everyday wear. The covers allow full access to the under-seat storage. The fold-down tray remains fully usable. They look great, protect your seats, and are easy to wipe clean. Step 1. Start by tilting the seat forward or lowering it for more space. Remove the headrest by pressing the release buttons and pulling it upwards. Step 2. Place the backrest cover over the seat and pull it down evenly, like putting on a t-shirt. Step 3. Push the plastic headrest guides through the holes at the top of the cover. Step 4. Pull the cover around the armrest and fasten Velcro underneath. Step 5. At the bottom of the backrest, locate the tuck-in pouch and push it into the gap between the backrest and the seat base. Tilting the seat forward can make this easier. For the best fit, pull the pouch through from behind. Step 6. Undo the Velcro and buckle straps on the base cover. Step 7. Pull the base cover over the seat and wrap the skirt underneath the front corners. Step 8. Tuck the sides of the cover into the gap between the seat base and the plastic trim. Use the Velcro straps to help pull it through. Step 9. Push the elastic buckle through the rear gap and down behind the seat. Step 10. Repeat on both sides, then connect the buckle clips together behind the seat. Step 11. Under the seat, fasten the Velcro straps tightly. Step 12. Refit the headrest, then slide the headrest cover on, like putting on a hat. Step 13. Pull the armrest cover on like a sock and reattach the Velcro at the back. Step 1. Remove both headrests from the double passenger seat. Step 2. Undo the zip or Velcro and place the backrest cover over the seat with the front open. Pull it down evenly from the sides. Step 3. Push the plastic headrest guides through the holes at the top of the cover and tuck the cover into them. Step 4. Move the seatbelt out of the way and close the zip or Velcro behind the seatbelt. Step 5. Lift the seat bases and connect the buckle clips under the center seatbelt. Step 6. If your cover includes a tuck-in pouch, push it between the backrest and the metal bar. Step 7. The base covers are labeled driver side and passenger side. Step 8. Starting from the back, slip the base cover over the seat and push the seat into the pocket. Step 9. Pull the cover over the outer corner, then the inner corner. Align the seams and pull the edges down securely. Step 10. Under the seat, connect the buckle clips together. Step 11. Repeat this process for the other seat base. Step 12. Refit the headrests, then slide the headrest covers on with the seam facing the front.